Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. Let's say you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the codes such as P0220 P0221 222 223 or 224. Stay with us, we'll explain guys most likely what can cause that. It could be multiple things, so make sure to stay until the end. One of those things most of you will not think about that. Also, we'll share the tool that we use to diagnose vehicles because many of you request that information and it's a tool that's definitely worth it guys, so we're going to cover that towards the end of the video as well. So let's explain what we need to do now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we're working on. So what do we have here guys removed? This is the throttle body. Most of the times when you have any of these codes, you will have problems with the throttle body or a device that sends signal to the throttle body. So we're going to cover that towards the end as well. Make sure you stay with us. Now, one thing that you need to check guys, very common thing, that's the wiring harness for the throttle body. Right here. Make sure the wires are not broken, not cut or anything like that. Here is the radiator fan. We'll recommend always have the car battery disconnected when working there. Now, loose wiring harness, broken wire, wire that's not contacting good can cause these codes. Something else guys, dirty throttle body can throw these codes as well. You can see we clean half of it, check out the other half. It's just unbelievable difference, right? Let me just get a little bit of light so you can see day and night difference guys. This throttle body right here. So now let's explain guys, what else can cause that. If you want to see how to clean throttle body on Hyundai Sonata, we made a video that you will be able to find on our channel. It's an amazing video, very simple, and it teaches you how to do that. Also, we have the complete video that teaches you how to remove or how to replace throttle body on a Hyundai Sonata. So before we continue with what else can do that, I want to show you the tool that we use because many of you requested that information. So this is one of the best and most affordable scanner that we use guys. Let me explain a little bit about that. It's Maxicom. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get yours if you need one guys. You can work on any car practically, check it out, any car, Porsche, even Ferrari, Lamborghinis, things like that. But I want to show you guys, I want to show you specifically how good that tool is. I'll just click Asian, Hyundai, and you can just click at that point, you can click the VIN number to automatically select your vehicle. We're going to connect it and I'll show you the functions that it supports. So it asks us to confirm that we have a 2013 Sonata. We click yes, we do, and now let me show you. If you click control unit checkout, you can scan every system, every module, every computer in your Hyundai Sonata. You can read the lead codes and you can see live data, so makes it super good tool guys that it can pay itself off only in one-time use, and I'll definitely recommend it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. So with that being said, throttle body guys, what else can cause that? Check wiring harness. But if you come inside your Hyundai Sonata guys, things that you need to look for. Go and check out your accelerator pedal. This thing right here, you can see, make sure the wiring harness is plugged in, make sure it's working correctly. We have a special video that explains how to test that pedal with the computer guys, how to test throttle position sensor on Hyundai Sonata. Video will be on our channel coming very soon, how to test it and find out if it's working or not. Now, most of the times it will be bad throttle body, wiring harness, or a dirty throttle body. In some cases guys, it could be the wiring harness from the accelerator pedal, throttle pedal to the throttle body, or the throttle pedal as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that information. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.